Good afternoon, afternoon. Made it to Tampa. I'm back in my element. Well, hey, cutie.
She is a cutie.
Hey, cutie. Hello, Dahlia. Well, she's friendly.
This one.
Come
here, boy.
I like his colors.
Come here, boy.
Who does that remind you of?
Who, this one?
Chanel's loud ass?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's loud.
Yeah.
Well, Murr, I haven't seen the cows yet.
It's Negla and Jezebel. Jezebel won't let you pet her. Negla. What? Who?
She's walking backwards.
Is that Thelma? That ain't Thelma.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thelma look like she got twice as big as what she used to be.
Louise.
Thelma, did you have a growth spurt?
She's our mama.
This is my friendly chicken right here. Watch this bitch whenever I go to pet her. She's gonna freeze
Language, sir. Language. This is a G-rated channel.
Thelma.
So this is Thelma, and this is Louise. This was the first baby born on my homestead in Florida.
Hey, film this chicken. If I get close to him, I go to pet him. It'll freeze up. One of the black and white ones would do the same thing.
This one's pretty cool.
Look at that fancy chicken.
Karen there.
That's Karen. She's
Karen.
A Polish chicken. She's pretty cool. She has all the feathers on her head.
Well, they living their best life. This right here is just like a throwback to where they started. This right here is when it was Grim Reaper Farms. Right here.
Well, now they got more room to run.
Oh, yeah.
Hey, Dahlia looks like she's been eating now. Yeah.
I can't believe how big Thelma's gotten.
She's my favorite.
And her coat's a whole lot brighter now, too.
They eat good on the ranch now.
She's friendly, but you remember how friendly she
Yeah.
was? She's just like...
Thelma. You remember me? You remember me? She was always my favorite, too. She was a sweetheart.
She keeps everyone in check.
Oh,
if
yeah.
the dog try to come in here, she'll butt them in the butt. She don't let nobody mess around.
And Louise, you're getting quite big yourself.
She's a mom now.
Yeah, I have some of her babies.
Look.
You've came a long ways.
I like those. Let's get that one.
It looks a lot bigger out here now that it's cleared.
I know. It was a lot of wood.
We still got a ways to go, but it's coming along.
Getting there, though. Oh, yeah? You want to talk to him? You want to? Yeah, tell him. Tell him all about it.
That one rooster.
That was even longer.
That one's a trip. I need to get me one like Karen just to watch it run around.
Yeah, they're
You can cut their hair and stuff too. Get them haircut.
Yeah, they're cool. I've always liked the Polish chicken. They all do it, kind of.
It's my freak out stance. Freak out! Freak out! Ooh, freak out!
Ooh, they're soft.
I guess I got 3 of them.
She talks a lot. Okay, we did it. Is she soft too or no? Is she soft? That one.
She's a good girl. Yeah.
I like her colors.
Ooh, you know what? I got the 2 roosters. I think we got us another rooster.
Yeah, that one?
Yeah. Okay, so the flock will be good.
What are you doing, Karen? Oh, 1 rooster's enough for all the chickens you got. Well, Chief's been doing his job. Chanel's pregnant again, and so is Coco. Yeah, and Chanel's babies just left right before I left.
Dang.
They went to the 41.36. Coco had 1 baby. I'm giving that one to the Drifting
Louise
Dreamers.
Had, 3 this time.
Yeah.
She got the 3-piece on me.
Yeah, because we had four kids, right?
Yeah.
Coco only had 1,
Yeah,
but a
male,
cute one.
The male there in the back bent over, and then the 2 out here. He's friendly too, that's what I like about him.
Chief turned out to be a man.
Kind of like, what was the black male I got from you?
Oh,
Midnight?
no. I don't know. I could call and ask Addie because that was her favorite goat.
Yeah, he was.
What was his name?
That was a cool name too.
I miss him. He was. Addie, if you're watching this, what was the male goat's name? I can't remember. It's been so long ago.
I like the chickens out because they'll go around and tear up all the poop so I don't have piles everywhere
Oh yeah.
scattered out.
So I won't be able to do free range on the mountain until I get a whole lot of fencing and some guard animals because
What's up, Karen?
I got mountain lions and coyotes and
And everybody wants a chicken.
yeah, everybody loves chicken. Just
Yeah.
like I said a long time ago in my video in Florida, everybody loves chicken, and ain't nobody getting my chicken. In Florida, I deal with bears and alligators and all kinds of stuff. I don't have to deal with alligators anymore, but I still got to deal with bears and raccoons and coyotes and bobcats and
Snakes.
they say there's mountain
Armadillo.
lions too up there where I'm at.
Earlier, the lady was like, everybody always asking if there's alligators in that water. She said, let me tell you how to tell if there's an alligator.
Oh
in
yeah,
the
I've
water."
seen that and
Put
she
it
She
touch
goes
it.
up
Yeah,
there, she goes, just dip your
You
hand
seen
in
that
the
meme?
water, and if you do like that and it's wet, there's alligators in that water in
yeah.
Florida.
I've seen that meme too. Yeah, that's awesome. All right, guys. Well, wasn't a lot of talking on this one. Just wanted to show you the little farm critters here at my brother and sister-in-law's farm right here. They've came a long ways. It used to came and got the goats. It was just that and that area right there. But they have fenced their whole property since then and got cows and a whole lot more chickens and goats. I love it. It's beautiful.
Seed.
Planted seed, a little bit of
Yeah,
grass
yeah.
seed. Got it looking good around here. I will show y'all a lot more detail and talk about a whole lot more of this stuff on Come On Homesteading. Hope y'all have an absolutely amazing Tuesday. I think it is. Is it Tuesday?
Yeah.
Tuesday. I'm on vacation. I've lost track of what day it is. But do something nice for somebody. Take another step closer to your goals, but keep it real, guys. Come on.